Hey guys and girls, so today we're going to be comparing a new and a used Filtrete by 3M Healthy Living furnace filter. This one's the 2200 filtration level. It says that it pretty much does everything. This was the best filter that was available at Canadian Tire, which is my local go-to hardware big box store. They had a deal with this one right now. It was save, I think 30%. Sorry, it was 20%. So it was $32.99 on sale for $25.99. And then they had a deal online that if you bought with your MasterCard, that you've got 30 times Canadian Tire money. So that's great. Thanks, Canadian Tire. The only issue is, and it might be hard to see, but there's kind of a ripple in this, but the filter should work fine. But just wanted to show you, so this one that's on the left here, this was in my furnace for 3.5 months, and you can see, hopefully, sorry, I'm trying to bend over and do this and keep everything nice and steady, but you can see there's cat hair, there's dirt, all kinds of stuff in there, and you can see just by the difference in color just how much stuff that this has picked up. You can see that there's a little bit of dust on top of the filter. Yeah, it worked really well. I was impressed. I went from a reusable washable filter to this. I think that it works better. I'm not seeing as much dust throughout the house. I know that's a hard thing to quantify, but in my opinion, it's worth the money. And then a really nice feature that's not, you know, a game changer or a deal maker or breaker, but this is a little sticker. You fill it out, you put 3 months from today's date, then it lets you know when it's time to change the filter. You know, you can also set a reminder in your phone. So just a little maintenance tip there. But with the Filtrete, they say that or they provide you that so that you can sorry, the cats are just getting into all kinds of stuff. So yeah, so it's just easy to remember to replace it. So they say that this thing does pretty much everything. The only thing it doesn't do is it doesn't get rid of a lot of the smell. But if you wanted to do that, you would just get a charcoal filter. But yeah, quite impressed with this one. That's the Filtrete 2200 Healthy Living filter. It's got electrostatic pleats in it, so that it pulls in more stuff. Quite impressed with it. If you guys are looking for a great filter, check these ones out. If you found the video informative or you liked it, thumbs up. You didn't like it, give me a thumbs down. Maybe tell me why down in the comments there. Always trying to make better videos, more informative videos. And you might want to think about hitting that subscribe button right there. I'm adding new content quite regularly. It could be a mix of painting, drywall, household stuff, automotive. It's kind of a catch-all for everything. So until the next video, thank you.